rainy week in the forecast, the city of Austin started preparing for potential flooding.
Watershed Protection tells us crews cleared out debris in creeks. And as KXAN Sarah Alshev reports, the department says it's in good position to handle this week's wet weather.
This week, expect this. Rain nearly every day throughout central Texas.
Adding up the next 7 days of rain chances, many of us get 2 to 4 inches, although for most of us, we don't get it all at once. There could be a few instances that we do pick up 2 inches in one day.
For the city of Austin's Watershed Protection Department,
images are updated every 3 minutes.
That means monitoring cameras at low water crossings.
You can see as the rain comes through and how that impacts the creek.
And preparing for flooding.
Our more sensitive low water crossings, we had staff out over the weekend checking them. We had staff out yesterday helping close them, and then we had staff back out today clearing up the debris that came from yesterday.
Rain Sunday already caused some road closures.
We ended up having to close 5 of our low water crossings.
Another city department preparing for the rain, the Homeless Strategy Office. It alerted people about potential flooding concerns this week via its text message notification system. In a statement, it told KXAN, quote, HSO, along with outreach partners in the community, provide outreach to encampments regularly, stressing safety and well-being and encouraging people to seek higher ground away from low water crossings, creeks, and channels. During high and low rainfall, many of these areas can become dangerous. For anyone spending time outdoors, leaders want you to stay aware.
Even if it's not raining on top of you, our creeks rise in a flash, and make sure you're ready to get out and find a safe way.
Sarah Alshev, KXAN News.
And Watershed Protection says it's moved from normal hours of operation to a more 24/7 approach to respond and close roads or clear any debris any hour of the day. If you happen to see debris in a low water crossing, the department says you should contact 311 so they can get it all cleared up for you.